Well, we are the first people to start to increase our bread prices, which was on the 5th of January. We increased it by the retail price by 5 shillings, so that it was being sold at 45, and we took it to 50 shillings. We of course increased our margins for the distributors by a shilling and a half. So the idea about increasing the bread price, which we did it after 4 years, was because a lot of ingredient prices have gone up. Wheat in the world market has shot up by more than $70 or $80 in the last 6 months. And as we know that Kenya imports 80% of the wheat compared to the local production. So of course there was need to increase the price of the bread comparatively. However, some of the bakers, instead of increasing into this lots of 5 shillings, they increased it a bit more. And where the consumers sort of refused to buy because the supermarkets were selling bread at a slightly lower price compared to the shopkeepers. So I think that is where the whole problem started, and that is why some of the bakeries who had already increased their price had to bring it down. Now whether they are making money or whether they are not making money is a different situation for them. But as far as Broadway is concerned, we have stuck to our price. It is still the best in the market. The retail price has to be 50 shillings. For the 600 gram bread, it is 75 shillings. For the 800 gram bread, it's 100 shillings. And with the quality of the bread we have, I think we are much better off compared to the rest of the bakers in the market. 50-50 is the first one of its kind in Kenya, or maybe even in Africa. It's a bread which is lightly brown in color, white in color, but lightly brown in color. It has all the nutrition from the brown flour. It has the fiber, it has less sugar, it has the goodness of a good product. This product is basically for families or for children or youngsters who do not like the brown flour, brown bread. This is a healthier version, as people know that brown bread is of course very, very healthy. And we have seen that our market has actually grown for brown